Insulation has never been so simple and easy to use. You don't need to buy a foam gun or cleaner. Each can of straw foam Polynor Home comes with a nozzle already mounted and ready to use. Introducing a new product, Polynor Home Insulation. One-component polyurethane spray insulation foam. Seamless insulation protects from drafts and thermal bridges. Stops humidity, air leaks, and vapor. Easy to use for geometric surfaces and hard to reach places. High insulation speed. Excellent for inner and outdoor insulation. Eco-friendly. Moisture-resistant. Ozone-friendly. Movement capability. Will not crack after time from building movement. Polynor Home insulates internal and external roof structure insulation, walls and partition walls, floor and ceiling, basement and ground, balcony and reveals, pools, garages, hangars, tanks, vans and containers, air ducts and pipelines. Polynor Home, quick and easy insulation. The choice is yours.